अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। खैरियत सर।
हाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
What's happening with the students, sir? Why did not they join? बार बार रिमाइंड करना, I don't think it is good. लिखता हूँ डियर क्लास।
Yeah, you guys can able to see my screen, huh?
Yes,
See,
sir. Yes, yes.
yeah. Uh, up till we did only plan and section. Okay. Today for this we are creating an elevation. Elevation means the outside part. Okay. Like uh, we are every time we are showing like this. We are cutting this area. Okay. We are
Yes.
we are showing as a section this area. Okay. Now today I will show this part. Okay. This is our front line. Okay. This is main road area. Okay. Front side, how the building look likes. Okay. Now just I took one room as 20 feet by 20 feet as a bedroom. Okay. For this
Oh,
we have to create exterior elevation. Okay. See, I am using vertical line. Okay. XL, enter, V, enter, V for vertical. Okay. I am selecting the corner points of windows. Same thing for doors also. Which part is opening, which part was going to open in elevation, that part we have to select. Okay. Now see, this is your 3 feet parapet wall height. Okay. Outside 3 feet, and in elevation we did not have to show slab thickness, but we are showing the height of building including the slab thickness. Okay. That is 10 feet 6 inches. 6 inches was our slab thickness, and remaining 10 feet was our uh, inside height of the building. Okay. And this is foundation. Foundation means this is basement level. Okay. In section we are showing another thing, but now in elevation, which is our ground level, you can able to see over here. See, we are showing the first 2 feet uh, top of ground. Okay. And here we are indicating as a
okay.
ground level. Okay. This part was our ground level, and another 2 feet was under the ground. Okay. Overground 2 feet is there, and underground 2 feet is there. That's why I am showing here overground 2 feet. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am removing this whole lines from here also. Now just I'm selecting this one and delete. Okay. Now this one also I'm doing trim. Here also same. Okay. Now what is the height of our doors? That height was 7 feet. Okay. Now again we have to remove these whole lines. Okay. Now see, in elevation, this is our door. Okay. This is our window. Okay. What is the window height? 4 feet. Okay. Sorry, 4 feet.
Oh,
Here I am giving 4 feet. Okay. You guys can able to see in our doors and windows schedule. In that I draw how much our door height, how much our window height. Okay. You
oh,
guys can able to see in that schedule. Okay. Now how much thickness we will give for door frame, that is 2 inches. Okay.
2 inch.
Let's we have to take here 2 inches for door frame. Same thing for this one also. Window frame also 2 inches. For this also you have to take 2 inches. Okay. Again now you have to do flit. Flit command shortcut key was F enter, and for continuation of flit, that is F enter M enter. If you press M, the flit command will continue. Okay. Now we have to show door openings. Okay. But we are showing here door elevation also, like this. In villages you guys see these types of doors. I think somebody was talking in class. Who's that guy? Okay, for this you have to explode it, this one, and F enter flit. Here also you have to make a flit. Okay, just move this object top. Here also same thing, and delete these lines. Flit again. Okay, it won't happen flit. Just you have to trim. You have to do trim. And now this object was separate. If you want to make this object join, for this p edit. Okay, p e enter, see here p edit. Just I am selecting these objects, and here s y is there na? I am pressing j, enter. Okay, see, now you can able to see this whole object was joined. Okay, again I will show. See, this object is separate. Okay, we have to join this object, that is p edit, p e enter. You have to select whole object and just you have to press enter. You can able to see here join. Okay, select whole object like this. Okay, just press enter, 2 times enter. This object was joined. Okay, offset 1 inch. Okay, like this. Okay, any type of elevation you can show. Yes, you have to select these objects and make a mirror. Okay, like this. Okay, here also for window opening, again we have to show here one door frame. Okay, then I'm taking one from here and here, and I'm removing the center line. Frame again. Okay, for this also you can able to give two types of window, two types of window openings. Here also, here also. Okay, for this, yes, you have to make rectangle, or else you have to create any kind of design, a center. Okay, mirror it. Okay, same thing for this. You have to select and mirror again. If you want to make object, you can change this size also. Okay, like this. You have to select and just place in this center. Okay, select this one and mirror it, and select this both the objects and copy. Copy in this corner point to you have to place here. Okay, it will be easy to do this. Okay, now here we have to show a staircase. Okay, how much our riser height, how much our riser height, anyone can tell me? That is 6 inches. Okay, now here just I will took one line and I'll move up to 1 feet. Okay, same thing I'll copy and I'm doing mirror. Okay, now selecting this both the lines and doing trim outside lines. Okay, now again I am doing hashing for this. Here, here, here you have to show basement, what, like this bricks. Okay, these bricks you have to show granite, stone, you know na, which we will put in our basement. Okay, it will use in our foundation also, but here for external look we will show this kind of hashing. Okay, now here again I'm by using rectangle and drawing certain boxes. I will give height like 2 feet comma 1 feet 3 inches. Okay, this box. Okay, again I will do rectangle 2 feet comma how much, approx 7 inches, or else we will reduce up to half this much. Okay, From this we will give a little bit up. Okay, we have to see here dimension how much it's coming. Okay, 6.5. Here how much? 5 inches. No problem. We'll move half inch down. Okay, after we are giving 6 inches. Okay, now here I will give hashing. I will give hash like you have to give any kind of different kind of hashing. Okay, if you will give which kind of hash is there. Okay, like this. If you want to change, you can able to change by using values like this, or else you have to give less value, or else you have to change how much, 1, or else 0.5. If you want to reduce, you can reduce more, 0.2, like this. Okay, see this type of design. You can't see means you little bit you increase 0.3. Okay, now just select, copy it, maintain certain distance. Okay, okay, if you want to give, you can able to give here, here 6 inches. Okay, here you can able to change our hashing. Better we will give here concrete. Okay, match it again. Okay, just select this object and make it curve to finish our work fast. Okay, that's why we are using this same object. We have to show like this. Okay, if you want to check if both levels are equal, just you have to draw a single line and you have to check a dimension. Like here, see 1 feet, 1.5 inches. Here also you have to check. Here 1 feet. Okay, no inch, no problem. If the difference is between inches. Okay, like this. This is your elevation was ready. Okay, if you want to show certain new things means you can able to show over here like rectangle, or else we'll take polyline. We'll take here 3 inches and again we will take 4.5. Okay, again here 3 inches. This is our sunshade. Okay, this sunshade we are giving to our doors and windows like this. Okay, you have any kind of doubts related to this? Yeah, anyone? You guys understand now?
Yes.
Yeah. And one more thing, yesterday I given some practical homework to you all. if you guys did this practical, this is our practical marks was 30. if you ड्रॉ, अगर आप लोग ये ओपन प्लॉट में अपने ओन से अगर कोई भी प्लान अगर आप सबमिट किए, तो ये प्लान का मार्क्स जो है सो हम लोग रख रहे हैं 30 मार्क्स का हम इसमें दे रहे हैं प्रैक्टिकल। और on 27 we have theory test. What is the theory test means? Up till how much we done commands, how much we completed our commands, that commands you have to know by orally which command, by using which command our work was complete soon, मतलब जो कमांड हम यूज कर रहे हैं वो कब यूज कर सकते हैं और उस कमांड से हम अपना वर्क कितना जल्दी फिनिश कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारे कुछ ब्रीफ है, मतलब इसका स्टडी करना है। ओरली टेस्ट भी रहेगा 27th के दिन, और इंशाल्लाह आवर मे बी आवर क्लास last class on 28th. So best of luck guys, and do practical, and how much above you will score, that guys can able to receive their certificates. Okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर करने वालों के लिए हम लोग कुछ मार्क्स रखे हैं, और जो पंक्चुअलिटी ऑफ अटेंडेंस, जो लोग अब तक हमारा अटेंडेंस मतलब डेली रेगुलर क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं, वो लोग के लिए हम लोग क्या है अटेंडेंस के लिए भी मार्क्स, पंक्चुअलिटी ऑफ क्लास रेगुलर जो आ रहे हैं वो लोग के लिए भी हमने मार्क्स रखा है, और पंक्चुअलिटी ऑफ नोट्स, मतलब नोट्स जो मेंटेन कर रखे हैं, नोट्स के लिए भी हम लोग मार्क्स इशू कर रहे हैं, और जो लोग प्रैक्टिकल असाइनमेंट जो डेली ग्रुप में सबमिट कर रहे हैं उसके लिए भी हमने मार्क्स रखा है। और इतने दिन से आप लोग हमारे क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे थे, तो आप लोग के लिए स्मॉल प्रैक्टिकल टेस्ट है। ओके, वन प्लॉट है, एक प्लॉट है, उसका जो डायमेंशन है 40 बाई 45। इसके अंदर आप लोग को आपके हिसाब से इसमें हमको वेंटिलेशन के साथ वन पोर्शन भी ड्रॉ करना है। If you guys can able to draw 2 portions, it's also possible. Okay, लेकिन वेंटिलेशन के साथ हर वो चीज़ रहना है। अब तक आप लोग जो भी डिज़ाइंस आपने देखे हैं, प्लान आपने जो किया है, तो उस हिसाब से आपको क्या है इसके अंदर प्लान शो करना है। ओके, सेक्शन तो आप लोग को आइडिया मिल गया है, सेक्शन कैसा ड्रॉ करना है, किस तरीके से ड्रॉ करना है, और आप लोग के पास डोर हाइट है, डोर विंडोज के हाइट्स है, सारे वैल्यूज है, और आउटर वॉल थिकनेस कितना आता है, इनर वॉल थिकनेस कितना आता है, और D1 का वैल्यू कितना है, D2 का वैल्यू, D3 का वैल्यू, उसी तरीके से W1, W2, W3 का वैल्यू, उसी तरीके से वेंटिलेटर V1, ये सारे वैल्यूज आपके सामने हैं। ओके, हर कोई अपना अपना प्रैक्टिकल सबमिट करेगा, ठीक है। अगर जिसको भी ये प्रैक्टिकल नहीं मिला है वो लोग मुझको व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। और एक बात, जिसके पास सिस्टम नहीं है, कंप्यूटर नहीं है, तो वो लोग क्या है पेपर पे भी अपना वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करके आप ये प्लान को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक related to this class. You guys have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask Abdul Basit, Fahama, and Sayyid Naeemuddin sahab, and our Aisha Siddiqa.
सर ये ऊपर पूरे वेंटिलेशन,
ये ऊपर का जो हैश किया है ये बता रहे हैं आप?
जी सर।
ये वाला, ये जस्ट खाली हमने शो किया है, जैसा कि आप विलेजेस में देखे होंगे कि ऊपर जो पैरापेट वॉल होता है, मतलब स्लैब तो हम दे देते हैं ऊपर, जब टेरेस पे जाने के बाद बॉर्डर्स पे अगर कॉर्नर्स पे क्या है सर्टेन वॉल हाइट हम देते हैं, वो वॉल को हम पैरापेट वॉल कहते हैं। तो जो रोड फेस पे जो वॉल है उसके पास हम पर्टिकुलर एक डिजाइन शो कर रहे हैं, मतलब ये क्या है, यहाँ पर जो सैंड
अच्छा,
होती है ना, जिसके
जी
अंदर क्या है, कंकर वगैरह रहते हैं, तो उस टाइप का हमने शो यहाँ पर शो कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए ये कंप्लीट सैंड है। ये
ओ,
क्या है, मतलब ऊपर एक्सटीरियर शो होता है। हाँ, अलबत्ता ये वाला जो है ये गैप है, मतलब कंप्लीटली टू साइड भी ओपन रहेगा।
ओके सर।
समझ में आया? ये ओपन
जी
रहेगा ये पूरा। अलबत्ता ये क्या है, इसमें हम डस्ट ऐड करते हुए उसके अंदर स्टोन्स हम बाहर विजिबल कर रहे हैं, शो कर रहे हैं।
ठीक। सर
ओके,
इसमें
और ये
दूसरा डिजाइन भी ले सकते हैं ऊपर?
एज यूर विश, आप
ओके सर।
एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, आप इसमें तरह
जी
तरह के डिजाइन भी बना सकते हैं। आज के जो
ठीक।
प्रेजेंट जनरेशन के हिसाब से प्रेजेंट जो ड्राइंग्स, वेरियस टाइप्स के ड्राइंग्स आ रहे हैं, आप कुछ इसमें क्या है, ये जस्ट खाली एक मॉडल है। आप ये मॉडल को देखते हुए डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स के मॉडल्स आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं।
जी सर।
ओके, और कोई किसी को कुछ डाउट है आज के क्लास के लिए? या the members who are attended today's class, if you have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask. Okay, I have certain questions to you guys. हमारे पहले सैयद नईमुद्दीन साहब, क्या आपने अब तक की नोट्स कंप्लीट की है? Why? Because as per that notes we have to give a marks. That's why I'm asking.
मेरे
क्या आपने
पास
नोट्स
आधे
कंप्लीट किए अब
आधे
तक?
नोट्स कंप्लीट है सर, आधे नोट्स कंप्लीट है। मैं आधे नोट्स कंप्लीट करना हूँ, मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेशन था इसलिए वो नहीं हो सका।
Try
इंशाल्लाह
to
मैं
finish before 27th of October. Why? Because our exam on 27th of October, the theory test is there, and I given practical work also. It will finish up to before 27th. Okay, Abdul Basit. Abdul Basit. Yeah, Fahama. Fahama.
Yes, sir.
You're completing your notes
Yes, sir.
up till your notes was completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kindly send me in personally. Okay, and Aisha Siddiqa,
यस सर।
your notes was completed.
जी सर। यस
Your
सर
notes was
कंप्लीटेड।
completed up till. Kindly
यस
send
सर
me whole
कंप्लीटेड।
notes, whole notes, photos. Kindly send me in personally. Okay. Okay, then inshallah we will meet
ओके सर।
tomorrow with new designs. Today we will saw only ground floor elevation. Na? Inshallah, tomorrow I will show you ground plus first floor. Okay, G plus one floor elevation and plan also.
ओके
Inshallah. Okay, we will meet tomorrow at same time. Up
ओके।
till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of your health. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, this today's class picture PDF file I will send in our group. Okay. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi
ओके।
wa barakatuh.
Okay, class. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो। सर बोल के खामोश हो गए। चलो ठीक है। प्रिंट हाँ निकाल निकाल सकते ना। अच्छा